Muhammadin wa alihi wa ashabi ajma'in. So last time, the last masala of inheritance, which we mentioned there, that it goes from 6 to 10. Basically, according to the rules of Sharia, the whole property is to be made 6 shares. Because of the heirs, they are taking the shares. But as the shares, that was not sufficient for them, the number of shares got increased. So we took it from 6 to 10, and that is called al-hawl. Actually, this was a real issue which came to Qazi rahmatullahi alayh. Qazi Shuraih is the first more famous judge in Islamic history. He was a judge of the Supreme Court in the time of Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu anhu, in the time of Sayyidina Usman, in the time of Sayyidina Ali. And not only that he was hearing common cases, even he heard the cases against the Khulafa, against Umar radiyallahu ta'ala an, and against Ali radiyallahu ta'ala an. And Qazi Shuraih, he is a famous name, even though he was not a Sahabi, but he was a great alim. He was a Tabi'i, but he was a great alim. Umar appointed him as a judge, and then Osman kept him, and then Ali, of course, he kept him. So this was the real story with some people. And the thing was that in that case, the husband came to Qazi Shuraih and he made a complaint. Let me repeat it there on the board. Bismillah. This one is finished. So, a lady by the name of Zainab, she passed away and left behind as her heir the husband and 2 full sisters and 2 half sisters from mother's side, and also her mother was alive. So once again, in this case, Zainab, the dead lady, she did not have neither kids nor grandkids. When the dead one, male or female, does not have kids or grandkids, so in case of male dead, the wife is taking 1/4, and in case of wife dead, the husband is taking 1/2. So for husband is half of the property. And if sisters are more than one, the full sisters are half sisters but from father's side. So full sisters, if they are more than one, they are taking 2/3 of the whole property. And then 2 half sisters from mother's side, their mother was common with the Zainab, the dead lady. So if they are more than one,
1/3.
So they are taking 1/3 of the whole property. If she was 1, she was taking 1/6 of the whole property. But more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 years, how much? Then they are taking
1/3.
2/3, 1/3. Yes, and the mother?
1/6.
Huh?
1/6.
1/6. The mother is taking 1/3 of the property. If the dead one does not have kids and grandkids and does not have more than one sister or brother. Yes?
Yes.
If Zainab would have only one sister, any type of sister but only one, or only one brother, any type of brother from mother and father, both are from mother or from father. You know that? But he was 1 or she was 1. Then the mother was taking 1/3. But now as they are more than 1, so mother is taking 1/6 of the whole property. So now the common denominator.
6.
What?
6.
6. Yes. So the common denominator is 6. So now when that is 6, the husband will take
3.
half of out of 6, which is
3.
3. The 2 full sisters,
4.
4, 2/3 of the 6. The 2 half sisters,
2.
2, 1/3 of the whole. And the mother,
1.
1.
10.
So now the shares went from 6 to
10.
10. Now this guy, the husband, he came to Qazi Shuraih because he was a common labasgar from Kandahar. So he heard from ulama that the husband, if the wife does not have kids or grandkids, the husband is taking half of the property. But I got less than 1/3 of the property. Because 3 out of 10 is less than 1/3. So that's why he was upset. Yes. So he came, and as you know, that people are making questions to have a fatwa according to their own desire. So this guy said to Qazi Shuraih that you are a great alim and a great Qazi in Islamic State, and if the wife dies and left behind her, the husband does not have kids or grandkids, how much of the property will go to the husband? So the case was very much known in Quran. وَلَكُمْ نِصْفُ مَا تَرَكَ أَزْوَاجُكُمْ إِن لَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُنَّ وَلَدٌ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, for you the husbands, for you mean? The husbands is half of the property of your wife who died if she did not have any child or grandchild. Got it?
Yes.
So that is a known thing. So Qazi Shuraih said half of the property. But he said that they give me less than 1/3. Not 1/3 even. Less than 1/3. So Qazi Shuraih, look, he did like this. He said, so what else are there? Yes. So I said, 2 full sisters. Yes. As you know, the tone changes like this. And 2 half sisters. And her mother. So Qazi Shuraih said, أَسَاتَ الْقَوْلِ وَكَتَمْتَ الْعَوْلِ أَسَاتَ الْقَوْلِ وَكَتَمْتَ الْعَوْلِ. You said a bad words because you are hiding the awl. The masala is awliya. Yes? And that's why you, what a smart man he was. That أَسَاتَ الْقَوْلِ وَكَتَمْتَ الْعَوْلِ. That you have hidden the actual concept of Sharia because this masala is awliya. We call it what? Awliya. So anyhow, this was the last issue we discussed that night. Now, as we mentioned, that share mentions in Quran are 7 in number. Yes?
Yes.
7 or who?
7.
Yes?
Yes.
7.
Yes.
And its makharij are 2.
3.
Huh?
3.
Yes, look, I made 2 groups there.
2, 3.
Huh?
2, 6, 12.
Huh? Why you are confusing it? Look, this Mirath is very not confusing, but there's such an arithmetic. I told you that there are 4 makharij. They do not have all. It does not go up. 2,
3, 4, 8.
3, 4, 8. 2, 3, 4, 8. And there are 3. 6,
12,
24. So now 6 1, we did it. Now the 12th one, or the 12th one, where the makhraj is, or the common denominator is 12. This pen is also not working. You have another one? Or maybe the board is too dirty or too slippery. You have the, huh? Okay, no, you have the one, later on, not now. So anyhow, just check those two also. A person by the name of Zaid, he passed away, and he left behind him his wife, 2 full sisters, and 1 half sister from mother. Now, what is for the wife?
1/2.
Kids and grandkids are not there.
1/4.
1/4. For the 2 full sisters,
2/3.
2/3. For 1 half sister, 1/6. So what will be the common denominator?
12.
12. Indeed, you are okay in maths. You are? Just wait for your check. He thinks that's real. So wife will take 1/4 of the whole property. So out of 12, 3. And the 2 full sisters will take a 2/3.
8.
8. And 1 half sister will take 1/6.
2.
2. So altogether
13.
13. So this went, basically we made 12 shares of the property, but it was not sufficient for the heirs as their proportional share is. So that's why the masla went, or the denominator went from 12 to 13. Got it? The next one. Wife, again.
1/4.
1/4, 2/3, and
1/3.
1/3. Denominator is the same, 12. The husband will take, the wife,
3.
3. The 2 full sister,
8.
8. And the 2 half sister,
4.
1/3,
4.
4. So here, this masla will go up from 12 to 15. Got it? Based on rules, we made the shares 12. But based on shares, it went up from 12 to 15. The next one, which is the last one, as I told you that 12 goes only to
7.
odd number, not to even. Got it? So now the next one is wife, 2 full sisters, 2 half sister, and put mother here. Got it?
Yes.
So now the wife will take 1/4, 2 full sister 2/3, the mother will take 1/6, the 2 half sister will take 1/3. So still the denominator is 12.
Yes.
For wife, 3.
3.
For 2 full sister, 8. For mother,
2.
2. And for 2 half sister,
4.
4.
17.
So from 12
to 17.
to 17. So inshallah next time we will go where the denominator is 24. that has only one owl, not too many. It goes only to 27.